Hi, I'm Jenna, and I'm a social media analyst here at Conduit Digital. Today, we are going to be continuing our discussion on how consistent marketing deliverables can scale your agency. One tip we have for you is to create a reasonable calendar for turnarounds. As an agency owner, you know that deadlines are super important, and when it comes to marketing deliverables, setting a recurring, specific date for their distribution is valuable not only for your clients, but for your own team members as well. Talk to your team. See how long it takes them to complete and deliver these specific tasks. You don't want to create a calendar with unrealistic expectations. The good news is that a deliverables calendar does not have to remain set in stone, and you can always revisit and adjust it based on performance. Are there any particular deliverables that don't take as long to complete as you expected? Are there any roadblocks causing these turnaround times to lengthen? Ask yourself and your team these questions, and be sure to visit our blog to learn more.